Right, so you got your mower out for the first time this year and it doesn't start. Well, one of those reasons could be that it's stale fuel. In this video, I'm going to show you in less than 2 minutes how you drain and renew your fuel in your mower. There's a couple of different ways to drain your fuel. You can either remove the tank itself off the machine, you can turn the tap off and drain it off the fuel pipe, or there might be a nut on the bottom of the carburettor bowl which you can drain it from there. So the easiest thing on this Toro mower fit with a Kawasaki engine is to turn the fuel tap off like I have here, take the fuel pipe off and drain it out the pipe. So if you haven't got a fuel tap, use a pair of hose clamp pliers like this and lock it off. The fuel tap's turned off so the fuel won't run out anywhere. Next step is to just take your little clip off the end of your hose pipe and pull the hose pipe off the end of the carburettor. Find yourself a suitable drainage container, turn the fuel tap on and drain your fuel out like so. So once the fuel's drained out, you can pop your pipe back on the carb. Turn your tap on. On this still mower with a Kohler engine, you can drain your fuel out of the actual bowl itself of the carburettor. So clamp the fuel pipe until you're ready to drain because it's got no fuel tap, undo the nut and drain it from there. So you want to undo the nut on the side of the bowl itself. So undo your hose clamps and drain your fuel out from the bowl. Place a 10mm nut and do it up. So that's how you drain your mower of old fuel. Just remember, when you fill it back up, use fresh fuel or use something like this Aspen